Chicken breast is a popular choice among bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts looking to build muscle. It is a lean source of protein, which is essential for muscle growth and repair. Chicken breast is low in fat and calories, making it an ideal option for those looking to increase their protein intake without consuming excess calories. In addition to being a great source of protein, chicken breast also contains essential nutrients such as vitamins B6 and B12, niacin, and selenium. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting overall health and well-being, as well as aiding in the muscle-building process. When it comes to preparing chicken breast for muscle building, there are several options to consider. Grilling, baking, or broiling chicken breast are all healthy cooking methods that help retain the meat's natural flavor and nutrients. It is important to avoid frying or breading chicken breast, as these methods can add unnecessary calories and fat to the dish. Many bodybuilders and fitness enthusiasts choose to incorporate chicken breast into their meal prep routine, as it is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. From salads and stir-fries to sandwiches and wraps, there are endless ways to enjoy chicken breast while supporting muscle growth and recovery. Overall, chicken breast is a nutritious and delicious option for those looking to build muscle and improve their overall health. By incorporating this lean protein source into your diet on a regular basis, you can support your fitness goals and enjoy the benefits of increased muscle mass and strength. So next time you're planning your meals, consider adding chicken breast to the menu for a tasty and muscle-building boost.